You bought a TRICO truck wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to install the TRICO truck blade onto a pinch tab arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Hold your thumb firmly on the front of the adapter to lift up the back end. Align the side arm tabs with the side tabs on the back end of the adapter and move the blade underneath the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks underneath the adapter tab. The adapter must lock into the wiper arm where indicated. Then, lower the arm and be sure to check that the wiper blade is locked before use. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.